We also have the ability to send changes between Revit and LightStanza. I'm going to show you that really quickly. So if I go back to Revit and go back to my plan view, I can select fixtures in Revit. Let's say that there were some changes to these rooms or changes to these layouts. If I move these fixtures here and go back to the LightStanza menu, I don't have to re-upload this entire model again. You'll notice that there's this Send Changes button here. It's telling me that it's found 5 changes. If I hit that button and go back to LightStanza, you can see that those 2 light fixtures changed position. So we have the ability to send those back and forth as well. We also have the ability to send calculation points back into Revit. So I'm going to select this report of this full floor plan here. When I go over this, it'll say send all calc points to floor and current Revit view. So as long as I'm in the Revit view that I want to send these to, I can just hit this button. And this may take a second, again, because it was for the entire floor. But if I go back to Revit, it'll tell me that it added these DXF files. And if I zoom out here in Revit, you can see that all of my calc points have been placed into LightStanza. So we have the ability to send information not only from Revit to LightStanza, but from LightStanza back to Revit. We can also do things like send schedules back into Revit. So if I go to this same calculation report where I sent my calc points back, I can hit this button to send schedules to Revit. Revit is telling me that these schedules were added. And now if I go to Revit and go down to my schedules, I can see that I've got things like my luminaire schedule that came into Revit so that I can use this for my drawings. We also give you information like a room schedule that has every room, the level that it's on, the square footage, your lighting values, your lighting power densities. So if you're doing your ComCheck or your Title 24, this type of schedule can be really beneficial for that. Or you can also just include it on your drawings if that's something that you want to document.